back, Cat Nation. Welcome back to another video. It's your boy FaTkaT, of course, bringing you another one. So you guys see we got Christine there. I'm about to move my wife's car because we have, oh, by the way, if y'all ain't noticed, man, my garage is open. But we have these people, D&D garage doors. They have made it. Man, it's kind of foggy. That's why I hate leaving my car outside, man. Like, this is why I hate leaving cars outside, man. Garbage. Anyway, man. But D&D garage doors, man, they have made it. They confirmed that it was the spring. For all you guys, it was like, it's the spring, it's the spring. It was the spring. And I'm gonna go ahead and replace both of them. Not just the one that's faulty. Hold on, I'm over here reversing my wife's car so I could get my car out. I told him, I said, look, do them springs, like, do they, you know, like fly out or anything? He was like, nah, I shouldn't. I'm just saying, cause I got my car there and I don't want it to be, he was like, nah, we're gonna get your car out. So, damn, I think I need to put this over here. Alright, try and move these cars around, my bad, man. Oh, the good thing is we get to get a co-star of my car. So, let's do that. Let's do that. Recording over here for YouTube. So I'm recording over here for YouTube.
Yeah, I'm not gonna be in that.
No, I'm not putting you in it. Unless you want to be in it.
No, I'm good.
So I was telling you guys, man, you have let's test out this battery tender as we're at it. Said it was fully charged. Make sure those terminals aren't touching. Put my battery back together. Yeah, I had a problem with my battery dying because I don't really drive this car that often anymore. So I had a problem with it dying because I have some aftermarket lights and all that stuff in it. So I had to put the battery tender on it and see if it works. It's kind of loud. So. It worked. There y'all go, man, and it worked perfectly. That was over a week. Normally, I mean, it didn't even hesitate. Normally it would at the very least hesitate to turn on. And this thing did not hesitate whatsoever, man. So that battery tender, A+, man, it did work. Good job, man. So, sorry I couldn't make like a more intricate, detailed video about it, I guess. But, you know, obviously I got the guy here, so I don't want him winging. And, you know, he doesn't want to be on video and everything else. So, plus I don't want him to just stick around and be while I'm over here talking and everything else in the video. So let me get ready to move my car out. And then I'm gonna kind of explain a little bit what's going on with the garage door as well. So, or what he said. So, all right, man. I'll get back with you in a second. All right, guys. So again, we got the company is D&D Garages. I'm just explaining because they know what's going on with my garage because I haven't been able to take out my car. But anyway, you want to explain real quick what you said to me? The reason what was going on here? The spring was broken and everything else. Off camera, but they'll hear your voice.
Yeah, it's just, I mean, it's the counterbalance of the door.
Right.
Just bending the wire back and forth. It's about the same one.
So this spring was broken here. He was saying that it's basically best to go and replace both because they're pretty much the same age. So he was like, you know.
I'm lifting half the weight.
Yeah, you're lifting half the weight. So, and you know, if I were to replace this one and then a month later this one breaks, then one, I'm gonna have to pay that service fee again, which I don't want to do.
It's gonna be a lot bad.
Oh.
That's what they sound like when they break.
All right, there you go. There goes that loud bang some of you guys were talking about. I didn't hear that though with this one, but I guess that's what happened with that one. What's that? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know because I got home, I put the car in the garage, and then like maybe 2 hours later, my wife was trying to leave the garage and she couldn't. So I don't know.
It's possible that maybe the garage door opener sometimes it'll go lift it once or twice.
All right.
And then it starts throwing sensitivity where it won't lift it, which is a good thing. You don't want to lift it all that weight because you tear your hands up.
Yeah, so he was saying that, and he was saying that's the reason why it was so heavy to replace to lift up the doors because of the counterbalance here, and then obviously that spring with the tension and everything else. And that's the reason why it was so heavy. But I was right that this is reinforced with hurricane protection stuff and all the other good stuff as well. But that wasn't the reason why it was so heavy. It was because of that. Anyway, man, so he's going to end up fixing it here. He said it's taking about 20-30 minutes. And then we should be able to, we should be good from there.
Oh, baby, shot on the beat.
You guys can see we're back with B, and he got his little girl with him today. Obviously watching YouTube, man. Of course, like always, man, they always be entertained with that YouTube and them gummy snacks. You can't tell me nothing else. But these kids nowadays, man, don't tell me nothing else. Give me some social media. Give me some YouTube and the snacks. Tune everything else out, man. Anyway, man, but we're here with Keith again and B. So if y'all remember, man, last time he put on the rods here. Oh, he put on the actual front lip. Yeah, the front lip. He put on the front lip. And the rod. He did the rods here, carbon fiber blue. If you guys seen, but he did not have the side skirts, man. They didn't come in yet. So that's what he's gonna do today, man. So Keith is gonna throw these on real quick. Literally probably take him a couple minutes, and then call it a day, man. Then he'll be good to go. And you'll have the whole set, right? Yeah. And that's it for that.
For the outside.
Then you move on. Of course, it never ends, so you're gonna move on to the next thing. But yeah, man, so he's getting ready to throw on the side skirts, and then I'll show you how that looks when it's all said and done. Hey.
I want to make you a bad review.
Hey. Hey. So I had to turn this camera back on. So B got this. Where'd you get this from?
I got it off eBay, but in California.
So he got it off eBay, right? I hope y'all can hear me because that compressor's on right there. But he got this off eBay. Now, so eBay is a double-edged sword because yes, you can get stuff sometimes for cheaper, but you don't ever know what you're really gonna get. They sent this man out literally they sent this guy out a board. It ain't got no shape, no cuts in it, no nothing. Not a curve in this thing. They literally sent them a board.
It's gonna cover up the jack post.
Huh?
It's gonna cover up the jack and one on the front too.
Oh man, oh yeah.
I would put it on.
I mean, put it up there and see how it looks.
It's slapping my face. wouldn't want you to. I'm gonna contact them.
Oh shit! Oh, it's premium, huh? My bad. Oh, it's premium. Oh my god, bro! They sent this dude out,
Man.
a board.
That looked like ass.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to contact them.
What the hell was that?
Blue is all get out.
It'd be different if it had a little shape to it.
Well, I mean, obviously,
Yeah.
that's the whole thing.
You walk by and cut your ankle every time you walk by.
Oh,
The way she slides,
man.
she's gonna cut her whole foot off.
That's crazy.
Yeah. It's my first time opening, so of course.
You want me to ask how much you pay for that? I mean, you don't have to say if you
No,
want to.
okay. 160?
160. 160 for some side skirts.
That's probably $20.
Yeah, exactly. Because it's not even carbon fiber or nothing. Not even like wrapping in carbon
It's a
fiber.
piece of Lexan. It's a piece of black Lexan.
Wow.
You can buy a whole sheet of Lexan for like $80.
Oh god, this is too funny.
Golly.
Oh, I'm sorry. I don't mean to laugh, man, but this is hilarious. Did this say, where's the other one at though?
He had to pull the paper off of the tape.
Oh, it's this thing?
yeah.
Okay, I got you.
Of course, you know, the pictures. Showing that little angle.
Yeah, it's got a little shape
Got a
to it.
little shape to it. Yeah. So the picture got a little shape.
Oh, that's definitely not what they sent you. I don't know if y'all can see that. Hold on, let me see if I can focus in on that. Look at that. That's definitely not what they sent them. That's definitely not. That in that phone, in those pictures, is not that. Not that at all.
Nah.
I bet you if you tell them you're not happy with them, I bet they won't have to send you back. Send it back to you. Because there's nothing there.
They gonna be like, yeah, just keep it, bro.
Just keep it. I'll send you money back.
It's gonna cost more money for them to ship it.
Yeah.
It's gonna cost more money for them to do a return label than anything else. Oh man, that is hilarious.
Excited, man, you know.
You drove all this way, man, for some flat pieces of board. What's it called?
Lexan or just plastic? Yeah. I'd say it's Lexan.
Lexan?
Lexan with like either paint or something on it.
Wow.
But you can literally buy a piece of Lexan for $100 bucks. A whole sheet. You could make 10 of them out of this.
Dang. They could at least put like a little shape in it. Like all you gotta do is, all you gotta do, make a little cutout. Exactly. Man, that I never seen that before.
I bet the ZL1 ones aren't much. That probably $160.
Yeah. Definitely get your money back and probably just
And they got the shape.
get your money back and probably order the ZL1.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to.
ZL1 add-ons. Man, that's crazy.
Wow.
That was.
Now you gotta highlight video.
So there y'all go, man. So
Got a blooper video. That's a blooper video.
oh my god, hey, put that up one more time. I gotta put that up one more time. Put that up one more time. Oh my god.
Oh wow.
How do they expect anybody to put this on their car?
Golly.
Like, bro.
Man, I just wanna.
All right. So look at this, guys. Look at that. It's literally
Oh my god.
just a flat. That is crazy. They hold on. Let me see if I
You want them? You want to put them on your car?
Come on, man. Do they really expect anybody to put that on their car?
Golly.
Oh. So big lesson, guys. All right. Yes. You know, I would say everybody's, you know, we all balling on the budget and everything else, and we trying to, you know, get the best deals we can on things. At the end of the day, when you order from like eBay or you order from what's the other like another popular one? Amazon and things like that, right? And you guys know I shop on Amazon, but like Amazon things, you gotta make sure you know what you're getting, man. Like, because and granted, there's no way really to know because the pictures show, like so that's false advertising because they must have pulled those pictures off the internet from somewhere else because that's not what came in that box.
You know I wouldn't have bought no.
No, that's what I'm saying. So they probably pulled some pictures off the internet, which I've seen before because they did that with, I think they did that with Alex's car. Who else? Oh, they did it with Paul's car, Concrete 392. Well, Garage Driven. They did it with his car. Like they had his car like advertised on one of those. Yeah, on eBay. Yeah, they had his car. So yeah, man. So lesson learned, man. If you like, it's cool. You know what I'm saying? Obviously, we want trying to get things, you know, for good price and things like that. But you gotta know what you're getting, man, because a lot of these companies, man, they're frauds, and they put a picture on there to show you, hey, yeah, this is what we're doing, or this is what you're getting, but it's not what they actually, it's not what you're actually getting, man. It's not what you're sending out. And they had good reviews.
That's the only reason why I went.
Wow. Yeah, but they may sell other stuff. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So, but yeah, man. So, yeah, man. Definitely lesson to be learned. He's gonna try to get his money back and order some proper side skirts, man, because that just not gonna cut it.
Plus, he had to wait for it.
Plus, he had to wait for the extra couple weeks. Yeah, so that was crazy. Oh my God. Anyway, all right. So, job number 1 of today is a fail. Man, super fail, but it's all good though. Like I said, lessons learned. Nothing bad about it. Just a lesson learned. And now he knows that he can't go with that company to do his side skirt. Simple as that, man. So that's it. Oh man. So other than that, man, I'm gonna cut this video. Nothing else really to show y'all on this one. So yeah, man. So hopefully I learned something with that. Oh, there it goes. Back down on the ground.
Just like that.
Back down on the ground. There we go. All right, man. So other than that, that's it for this one, man. Hope y'all enjoyed this little video. This failed attempt to put some side skirts on. But you know, it is what it is. Y'all got anything else to say? Public service announcement? Nah.
eBay, number 1 shopping source.
eBay #1 shopping source. So all right, man. Other than that, man, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, man. Stay humble, stay blessed, stay genuine, stay true to yourself, man. Anything else will be on civilized, man. We out of here. Later.